Alright, out here on the feather raft, I just hooked up, and now let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, nice little bass here. Oh, that's how easy. That's how easy it is on a feather raft, folks. Check it out. Here's the setup. Got your waterproof box, and then your 2 tackle boxes there. Got a rod holder and your feather raft here. You got your nice bass. Let this bad boy go. Feather raft.